Okay, in this video we are going to talk about side-side-side congruency. So side-side-side congruency is that triangles can be proven congruent when all of the sides of one triangle are congruent to all of the sides of a second triangle. Okay, so what this means is that side AB here would be congruent to side FB, side BC would be congruent to FD, and side AC would be congruent to side DE. If all three sides of one triangle are congruent to a second triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So here's our proof. We're given that segment AB is congruent to segment XZ. Then we're told that segment BC is congruent to segment ZY. Notice that they both have two tick marks, and these two both had one. And that segment AC, which has three tick marks, is congruent to segment XY, which also has three tick marks. So therefore, since we're given all that, the two triangles are congruent because of side, side, side. In example 2 here, we're told to prove that triangle JML is congruent to LKJ. Now, we're going to introduce a new term to our proofs, a new reason, which is going to be the reflexive property. And the reflexive property states that if you share the same line or same angle, then that line or that angle is congruent. So in this case, both triangles share the line JL. Therefore, JL is congruent to JL. So the reflexive property states if we share a line or a segment or an angle, then they are congruent. So that's a little note for your notes for on the reflexive property. Now we're given that JK is congruent to LM, segment LM, because of the tick marks. That's a given based off the picture. Segment JM is congruent to KL, segment KL, for the same reason, two tick marks, two tick marks. So those are our given reasons. Now our other statement we can say is that JL, segment JL, is congruent to segment JL. And the reason is because it's the same segment. And because it's the same segment, we say it's the reflexive property. Now, we have everything we have. We have three pieces. We know that we have one side, two side, three side, one side, two side, three side. So we can say that triangle JML is congruent to triangle LKJ by side, side, side. And we're done with this proof. So side-side-side congruence occurs when I have three sides in one triangle that are congruent to three sides in a separate triangle. And we introduce the new property, reflexive property, which states if we share a line, a segment, or an angle, then that line, segment, or angle is congruent to itself.